In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite on Clickup in just about 5 minutes. Clickup has quickly become the go-to app for managing tasks, projects, and collaboration for teams across the globe. If you're looking to bring more members into your Clickup workspace, you're in the right place. Let's start with the very first step you need to take, heading over to the Clickup website. This is where the magic begins. Once you arrive at Clickup's homepage, you'll notice it's designed to be intuitive and welcoming, showcasing its features and inviting you to dive in. The next step is crucial, as it involves securely logging into your account. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you input the email associated with your Clickup account to avoid any hiccups. This step is simple but essential, as it validates your identity and secures your workspace from unauthorized access. Following closely, you'll be asked to enter your password. Remember, your password is the key to your Clickup kingdom, so keep it complex yet memorable. If you've forgotten it, there's always a way to reset it, but for the sake of this tutorial, let's assume you have it handy. Once your credentials are entered, it's time to click on the Login button. This is your gateway to all your tasks, projects, and team collaborations within Clickup. The anticipation builds as you wait for the page to load, leading you into the heart of your workspace. Upon logging in, you'll find yourself at the home base of your Clickup workspace. This is where your projects, tasks, and notifications live. It's designed to give you a quick overview of everything that's important to you and your team. Next, you'll navigate to the settings of your workspace. This might seem daunting at first, but Clickup's user-friendly interface makes it a breeze. The settings are where you can customize your experience, manage your profile, and importantly for today's task, manage your team. In the settings menu, you'll click on the People option. This section is devoted to managing your team's structure, from roles and permissions to inviting new members. It keeps your team's organization at your fingertips, making management an effortless task. Now for the moment, we've been building up to inviting new team members. You'll see an option titled Invite by Email. This feature is straightforward and powerful, allowing you to bring new collaborators into your workspace with just their email addresses. After entering the email addresses of those you wish to invite, all that's left is to click the Invite button. This sends out an invitation to your prospective team members, beckoning them to join your workspace. It's a moment of expansion and potential for your projects and teamwork. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to inviting team members to your Clickup workspace. Remember, the key to a smooth process is ensuring you're logged into the correct account and carefully entering the email addresses of your invitees. Clickup's design makes the rest intuitive. Before wrapping up, a small tip. Consider organizing a welcome session for your new team members once they join. This can help integrate them into your workflow seamlessly and foster a collaborative spirit right from the start. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on inviting team members on Clickup. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to expanding your team and enhancing your collaborative efforts. Here's to effective project management and productive teamwork.